Assalamu alaikum. Today in this lecture we will learn about conditional operators. Let's start a new project. And create a new package. A new Java class, conditional operator. Now let's take an example by using Boolean variable x, set this variable to true, another Boolean variable y, set this to false, and a Boolean variable result x and y. This will return true only if x and y are true, and if any of x and y is false, then it will return false. And the pipe operator x and y. So if any of x and y is true, it will return true. And here is the result. Let's take another example. Let's pass false and 3 less than 4. False and 3 less than 4, which is true, so it will return false. And if we said 6 is less than 4, then both are false, so the result is false. But when we set it to true and then this condition to true, then we will get result true. It will not return true if both the statements are false. It will return true only if both are true. Let's take another example. True and not true. It will return true only if all the conditions are true. And this operator, this is true and it is returning false. And if we set y to true, then it will return false. So this operator will return true only if all the conditions are false. So thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.